Here we are with Magic Mobile Detailing, former Right Look student turned reconditioning specialist. He's come down here from LA to visit us and show us what he's done. Obviously over here he has his own van and everything. And here he is, the owner, Daulet. He's an R1 approved applicator. He did our class. He went for the R1 membership, so that means he started ceramic coating right off the bat, right? That's what you mainly do, is the ceramic coat. You do a lot of that, don't you?
This right look.
He's got his skid mount over here. This is the deluxe skid mount, if you can see in the dark here. It's got a deluxe skid mount, got the Makita air compressor back here, our famous 3-in-1 vacuum and recollection system. All of his tools, all of the stuff that he needs to detail. His chemicals all over here. Right Look, as you can see. Everything Right Look. All certified and everything, He's trained by us. He followed all of Ruben's steps, and now he's... I don't know how many cars you do. You do too many cars. You do too many cars. How many cars do you do in a day, you would say? Depends? One car a day.
Detailing, deep cleaning, do 2 cars a day.
Oh, okay. So you actually do the higher packages though,
Yeah.
right? Okay, cool. And yeah, so then oh my gosh, you got certified and you went straight into it. So yeah, and what you're gonna be detailing Ruben's car today, right? Bentley GT right here. This 2016 Bentley GT right here. That's gonna get detailed by Daulet and his mother. So yeah, we're gonna follow them as they clean up this car and show off his skills. You ready?
Always ready.
Always ready. Let's get to it. Show us what you learned. Don't forget the water.
Yeah.
Come on, Daulet, you're the specialist. But when the teacher's watching, you're like, oh no. I all of a sudden forgot how to detail. Nah, look, you're efficient. You're already on the wheels. This is right look dressing?
Look my tires. Look at this. I did 3 days ago.
And it's still look clean.
Yeah.
Looks like brand new. And still gotta buff it off too, huh? Here's the car.
100% better. See?
All done right here. Just did a quick wash and vacuum. Little quick work on this. It's a lot better now.
Keep those cows.
It's all shiny, clean. Walking around the vehicle. And there, that's the Magic Mobile work right there. Magic Mobile detailing.
Yeah, call me, make appointment. Get ready.
All right, as you saw, we're all done here with Magic Mobile detailing. Daulet, you know, showing off his skills, showing off his truck over here. Let's just get a good glimpse of this mobile detailing unit that he has over here again. You know, Magic Mobile Detailing is his company name. You can get him at 631-829-6534, based in Los Angeles, California. Any words you want to say, Daulet?
Call me.
Call. Thank you so much, brother.
Yeah,
thank you. It was good seeing you again. You know, it's always glad to have students come back here and you know show us what they got. You know, you've only been in what, class 8 months, and look at you, 7-8 months. Got your own detailing unit. You and your mom are killing it out there. So make sure to check them out on our Instagram. We'll have this video out soon, and you know, just follow up on Magic Mobile Detailing on Instagram, and you know, watch out for Daulet. He's doing bigger things.
Yeah.